Okay, today's video, I wanted to just test out and see what the laser would do to, like basically human hand, or as close as I could get. So I've got a camera set up in there with a macro lens on it, and it's set to that depth to, show where this laser's coming to. I've got it in slow motion. I've had to cover the front with a bit of acrylic so I don't get no stuff on it, 'cause that's my wife's camera. But yeah, I just wanted to test it out. I'm going to start across the wrist area there and just see, and then I'll have a go at a finger and then see what else I can do with it. Yeah, it's all in there ready to go. You can see it's going to go just that area there. I'm going a 12 speed and a 60 power. Just going right on the end of that finger. This time I've flipped the hand over because the bone is actually closer to this side, so I'm going to see if it would reach the bone on this side. Yeah, that definitely hit the bone that time. Cooked it all the way around. Only shows I noticed some people, cut off the safety features and leave the door open. I know normally like the laser is pretty safe. It's hard to actually get your hand under there because it won't start with the door open. But some people override them safety features, and I just wanted to see if you actually did happen to do it, what would happen. But yeah, as you can see, the outcome is not great. I'm going to try a couple more things out of it quickly. My accuracy with the hammer ain't always great. I was wondering if I missed, and I was trying to really give it a good bang, what would happen. So get it over there. Oh yeah, just hammering away, and then oh, yeah, that don't look good. Probably alright in the fleshier area. There are a few bones cracking, but it's got a bit of bounce back there. Oh, that didn't go well. Just trying to cut through this, and then that already hit bone, just that little scrape. But yeah, these do bend as well. Okay. Before you know it. Oh, yeah, try not to do that. Fractured a bone there. I'll have to take it in for an x-ray. So yeah, sometimes when you're just not careful, cutting away, and then bam. Oh. Yeah, I don't know what's more dangerous, the hammer or the laser. You just happen to be cutting with your hand upside down. Oh, that's pretty blunt saw as well, but wow. So yeah, just carefully putting it in, and then next thing you know, bam, right through your hand. And the next thing you know, bosh. Oh no, the core has to come out the other side. Oh, sounded like it broke a bone. A bit of a laceration. Saw did one of the worst. It's definitely. Oh, and the hammer done pretty. The hammer done pretty good and all. Yeah, so if you don't want that happening to your hand, then don't do any of the things I just did. It was definitely down to the bone. A few times. Bit of surgery, and be alright. Yeah, it was just a little bit of a silly different video today, but thanks everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll put out another video as soon as possible. Thank you.